Hello, fellow Formula One devotees. An interesting season is unfolding as the dust settles on the first four matches of the 2024 Formula One circuit. In particular, Mercedes, a well-respected titan in the racing world, finds itself in an unfamiliar position, a startling fifth among 10 esteemed teams. Today, we will analyze the curves, straightaways, and pit stops Mercedes has encountered thus far in this season. Whether you are a seasoned F1 navigator or a newly minted enthusiast, stick around for a deep dive into the technical, strategic, and performance aspects shaping Mercedes' destiny. Buckle up and let us rev those engines. Let's shift gears and examine the road Mercedes has traveled over the past few seasons. Historically, they've been a juggernaut in Formula One, consistently setting the pace. However, as we cruise through the 2024 season, a different narrative unfolds. Mercedes find itself navigating a plateau, with their performance speedometer barely nudging compared to the breakthroughs of competitors like Ferrari and McLaren. In a world where rapid iteration and innovation are crucial, Mercedes' journey seems somewhat stalled at a crucial juncture. Consider this: the gap between Mercedes and the pinnacle of performance has remained roughly constant, a testament not to their stagnation but rather to the leaps and bounds taken by their rivals. This season, even Aston Martin, with its duo of adept drivers, is inching dangerously close, threatening to overtake Mercedes in the race for supremacy. Rivalries are intensifying, and the Silver Arrows are in a position they've seldom faced, playing catch-up. As the 2024 season engine roars, Mercedes is in a race against time and technology. The team's dedication and work ethic are palpable. But as every F1 aficionado knows, in this high-speed world, it is not just about running the race, it is about accelerating evolution. Zooming into the on-track action, let's steer through Mercedes' performance, particularly through the lens of Lewis Hamilton's recent outings. Despite the team's engine roaring with optimism each Friday, come race day, the expected surge fails to materialize. A striking example is seen in Hamilton's performance, where elation from practice sessions quickly dissipates into the frustration of race realities. Hamilton, titan of the track, is experiencing his most challenging start in 17 years. Instances like the Monaco Grand Prix, where Hamilton showcased potential in practice, only to be snared by tactical missteps and a carousel of car issues on race day, underline the perplexing dichotomy of expectation versus outcome. This pattern isn't isolated but a microcosm of the broader hurdles Mercedes faces. The narrative of promise versus performance is a roadblock they are yet to navigate past successfully. As we navigate through the competitive landscape of Formula One in 2024, it becomes evident that Mercedes' position is marred by not just the evolving prowess of competing teams but also internal shifts. Once the uncontested leaders, the Silver Arrows now find themselves in relentless tussle with Ferrari, McLaren, and the surging Aston Martin team. This shift is not solely attributable to on-track performance but is also reflective of seismic changes within the team's infrastructure. Recent seasons have been critical departures from the Mercedes camp. Key personnel who were once the architects of the team's success have moved on, creating a void of experience and knowledge. This churn in the pit and behind the scenes possibly intersects with the team's struggle to maintain its dominance. The equilibrium between innovation and consistency has been disrupted, challenging Mercedes to rediscover its former rhythm in this high-octane orchestra. What are your thoughts on Mercedes' current season struggles and their future in F1? Would this be a turning point for the team and its rivals? Drop your predictions and opinions in the comments below. Let's discuss it. Shift focus to a contemplative Lewis Hamilton, highlighting the aura of a champion facing new tests. In the cockpit of Formula One's relentless machinery, Lewis Hamilton, name synonymous with victory and resilience, confronts perhaps the most formidable lap of his career. Amidst the turbocharged rumors of Hamilton's potential shift from Mercedes' silver embrace to the scarlet passion of Ferrari, a new layer of intrigue wraps around the 2024 season. This speculated move, shadowed by loyalty and legacy, is not merely a change of colors but a monumental decision that tests Hamilton's allegiance and future in the sport. Adding to the internal turmoil, Hamilton faces a mirror in George Russell, his teammate who is not just sharing the garage but also spotlighting the competitive divergence within. The intra-team dynamics, characterized by Russell's ascending form against Hamilton's struggle for sync with the car, orchestrate a challenging narrative for Hamilton. Moreover, whispers from the paddock suggest Hamilton's evolving role as a guinea pig for strategic experiments and car development, a testament to his adaptability but also a poignant reminder of the transient nature of dominance in Formula One. A meticulously detailed animation illustrating Mercedes' car with aerodynamic flow lines. In the high-stakes chess game of Formula One, Mercedes finds itself grappling with a series of technical enigmas that have visibly held back their race against time and technology. At the heart of their dilemmas are aerodynamic anomalies that perplex even the most seasoned engineers in the paddock. Designed to slice through air with razor-sharp efficiency, the W13 unexpectedly battles turbulent airflows that create drag rather than downforce, handcuffing their drivers on high-speed straights and intricate corner complexes alike. Adding layers to the challenge and startling inconsistencies in performance, where Mercedes' prowess in cold conditions seem to dissipate under the gaze of the warmer sun, hinting at a delicate thermal balance yet to be mastered. This Jekyll and Hyde performance poses strategic nightmares, leaving the team scrambling for answers from Friday's practice to Sunday's race. Perhaps the most baffling piece of this high-octane puzzle is the stark disconnect between simulation and reality. In the confines of their Brackley headquarters, Mercedes engineers craft what, on paper, could be a masterpiece. Yet, when rubber meets road, the theoretical promises of speed and agility evaporate into thin air. This inconsistency not only frustrates efforts to pinpoint and rectify issues, but also feeds the cycle of trial and error, a luxury ill-afforded in the fleeting timeline of a Formula One season. As Mercedes navigates this labyrinth of technical dilemmas, the clock ticks louder with each passing race, propelling them into a future where resolve and innovation are their only allies. As the tides of competition rise, the Mercedes team, led by Toto Wolff, navigates a sea of scrutiny. Fans and critics alike have observed Wolff attributing some of Mercedes' wavering performances to factors such as track temperatures, a variable every team contends with. While acknowledging challenges is valid, the F1 community eagerly anticipates tangible solutions over repeated excuses. Wolff's commentaries on live testing, presented as an opportunity for growth rather than setbacks, reflect a testament to resilience. Nonetheless, the patience of a global fanbase wears thin. Responsibility seems to be veiled behind external factors, and while weather and variables are beyond control, the hallmark of a championship team lies in its agility to adapt and conquer. Accountability is the next checkpoint for Mercedes. It is time to steer away from the comfort of reasons and race towards the victory lap of results. Diving into the season, Mercedes harbored a wave of confidence, forecasting a return to their dominant ways based on preseason tests. Yet, as rounds progressed, reality painted a contrasting picture, revealing a chasm between expectations and on-track performance. This revelation prompts a critical crossroad for the team. Mercedes faces the arduous task of recalibrating its ambitions with the hard truths of their current standing. Looking forward, it's not just about engineering and strategy adjustments, but igniting a deeper resurgence from within. The future beckons Mercedes not merely to aspire but to rebuild, rethink, and revive their legacy in the crucible of Formula One competition. In this analysis, we have navigated Mercedes' pecking order disruption, Hamilton's personal battles, and staggering technical dilemmas. Amidst criticism and misplaced preseason confidence, there emerges a future shaped by accountability and reinvention. As the F1 saga unfolds, Mercedes stands at the precipice of change, seeking to recapture its undisputed dominance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Mercedes' thrilling season. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for deep dives into more teams, drivers, and circuit analysis in our upcoming videos. Can Mercedes bounce back? You decide. As the sparks fly on this F1 season, we appreciate you for being with us, F1 for You viewers. While soaking up the adrenaline of the tracks, remember to drive safe in your lanes too. This is F1 for You channel, your pit stop for all things Formula 1. Over and out.